ElectraCast.
Does it ever feel like you're a marketing professional just speaking into the void? Well, with LinkedIn ads, you can know you're reaching the right decision makers. You can even target buyers by job title, industry, company, seniority, skills. Wait, did I say job title yet? Get started today and see how you can avoid the void and reach the right buyers with LinkedIn ads. We'll even give you a $100 credit on your next campaign. Get started at linkedin.com/results. Terms and conditions apply.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for August 28th, 2025.
Today, NASA is advancing space exploration and Earth science with multiple missions and research updates. On the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, Deputy Project Manager Katie Bissey oversees mission finances, scheduling, and technical priorities, supporting the project since its early study phase in 2012. The Chandra X-ray Observatory has revealed that the star which became the Cassiopeia A supernova underwent violent internal mixing hours before exploding over 300 years ago, explaining the remnant's irregular shape and the high speed of its neutron star. In Maryland, NASA is working with officials in Prince George's County to use satellite data from Landsat 8 and Aqua to map heat islands, predict hotspots, and guide cooling strategies. The effort also supports first responders and tracks risks from insect-borne diseases, with a guide now available for other communities. Aboard the International Space Station, Expedition 73 crew members studied the effects of microgravity on bone and plant cells. NASA astronauts Johnny Kim and Zena Cardman processed bone stem cells to investigate space-induced bone loss. JAXA astronaut Kimia Yui studied algae and tobacco plant cells in an artificial gravity incubator, and Mike Finka tested exercise routines without a treadmill to improve long-duration mission fitness. Commander Sergei Ryzhikov managed Earth observation imagery and software updates, while Roscosmos engineers Alexei Zubritsky and Oleg Platonov maintained life support systems and produced educational content. On September 5th, Kim and Kimia Yui will connect with middle school students in New York to answer pre-recorded STEM questions. NASA's retired InSight lander has discovered massive lumps of debris in Mars' mantle, remnants of impacts 4.5 billion years ago. These features, preserved due to Mars' lack of plate tectonics, provide a rare view into planetary formation and the planet's slow geological evolution. 2 upcoming missions will study the Sun and its effects on space weather. The Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe will map the boundaries of the heliosphere and track solar wind and energetic particles, while the Caruthers Geocorona Observatory will image Earth's ultraviolet geocorona. Both missions are scheduled to launch no earlier than September 23rd on a SpaceX Falcon 9, alongside NOAA's space weather follow-on, Lagrange 1 satellite. The NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar satellite has passed all system checks and is raising to its operational orbit. Using dual radar systems, it will monitor Earth's land and ice surfaces, vegetation, and soil moisture, providing critical data for understanding earthquakes, volcanic activity, landslides, and climate impacts. Finally, NASA awarded a $1.8 billion contract to Ascend Aerospace and partners to support mission operations at Johnson Space Center, including training, mock-ups, and mission control systems for Orion, the Space Launch System, the International Space Station, Commercial Crew, and Artemis missions. Those were the key activities for NASA on August 28th, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning into NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Salale, I Say.
Hey guys, it's your girl Yeja. I want to share some really exciting news with you. I just dropped my first ever single, Spell on You, off my upcoming debut EP, Devil's Room, on RM Records. It's simply devilicious. Check out Spell on You wherever you listen to music. Bye for now.
I never thought I'd fall in love like this. It's time to close the chapter, but I think I needed this.
ElectraCast.